Exit dive.
A British film producer named Grace Santilli released 17 minutes of this grainy footage, black and white footage. It was
a little bit of an overreaction.
Like government autopsy people. It's like the actual thing itself can be over 600 feet long. To track the balloons, the army used radar targets, which were like diamond in shape, and they were made in frames made of balsa wood and covered in black foil back paper. Kind of. So
that was kind of an exit dive.
Hieroglyphs. It is exquisite. So the hieroglyphs.
Nope. I think that was an exit dive over there. The fuck are you doing? Yeah, back up a shame because you missed your turn. Really? Of course, we couldn't just make a U-turn into one of these driveways and just went back or whatever.
Controls your life. All that matters. All that. So yeah, maybe that's because I'm a scientist. Some people just say, "Lie to me." Lie to me. That happens a lot of politics, right? Lie to me. Tell me there is no global warming. Tell me we're not. Right. Tell me. Right. Just lie to me. And
nice cut off and left turn regret.
Temporarily, and then it catches up with me. By then it's too late.
Oh, nice. Almost cut off.
Yes. So now they have Levi and Jari.
What the fuck are you doing?
You had a mess on your hands, Fraser. The Calgary organization, they paid 2 firsts and a second for Nevin.
Babcock's turned everything around, the reputation started to go around, or we're going, what's going on, and Drysdale was already punched him in the face 3 times. It's going one way or the other, Nevin. I don't think it'll be just middle of the road.
Oh, and Barry Kapanen's going to have a mystery illness. he may not show up for camp.
So that's a good point. The floating at the top of the circle. That's a good point. The floating at the top of the circles, which he was praised for under the last regime, will not be praised moving forward.
Extra regret.
That is for sure.
He's going to hope he's allergic to his equipment, like
Osha. You're an idiot.
And Bouchard TV.
And I'm like, yeah, sure. Oh, I went over a little hill, putt. This one I was blown away by what they were like, no, get on it. That sounds like the best time. It was a hoot. It blows me away. Like, I'll tell you a quick story. Like, it blows me away when you get like into an experience where somebody
nice cut off behind
have a level of like competence, or they just trust you. Yeah, why not? Just to see how it feels.
My favourite part in this section is they speak to Martha Christie of a company called Trimedica Inc. She's saying it's used as a beauty treatment, so of course, being who I am, I got very interested and tried to look her up and look up the company. And the company, as far as I can tell, doesn't really exist anymore. But what I did find was just loads of legal battles. She's apparently another urine therapy expert who says they weren't properly paid for their contribution.
Sue the pharmaceutical companies because they make Promeric. So
nice
now
cut off.
Cut over to a very real pharmaceutical rep explaining.
Give me. I want my Chiron to say something. Author. I author. Well, I
wrote the Chiron.
No.
I'm authoring this.
Nope, again.
So and then he says, and this is such a great fucking line.
Really? Both lanes go to the same place. Turns right from the left lane. And your Nissan driver turns left from the right lane, of course, because we're morons here. I mean, it's just like Ithaca. There's an Ivy League school in this town, and yet people are being dumb. Now you just keep going, Toyota turd. Red light run, red light run. You were behind the line when the light turned red, so I'm singing a song and making fun of you, Toyota turd.
My beloved brothers and sisters is not necessarily accurate. Has not God chosen the poor in the world to be rich in faith and to be heirs of the kingdom that he has promised to those who love him? But you have dishonored the
Where are you going over there?
Drag you into the courts?
Yeah.
Is it not?
Because like you realize that if you stayed to the right, you could have stayed on Route 3 anyways, because this connects back over there. Or did you get lost because there's no lines on the road? I don't know what's going on. You got it. Oh, you suck. Really?
All of it. And he's like, well, if that's true, you should sue the pharmaceutical companies because they make from merit. So
nice
now
cut off.
Cut over to a very real pharmaceutical rep explaining.
Exit dive.
With you if they trust you. That's just the way it is. Okay. He stated on there what needed to be stated for the most part. I didn't agree with everything he said. I mean, he tried to make too much out of.
Really?
Oh, let's
nice cut off.
What's Thursday the first year? No, he wanted to get rid of all those players. He wound up getting.
I have no problem with somebody like that at all. He's doing amazing work, and I'm just wondering if
Masso left.
Methodology. I'm not trying to make my sister on.
Become a bit of a there's gatekeeping going on. So if someone calls
Red light, Ron.
They don't give a pronoun or they don't want to acknowledge it means the world. And it's been good therapy for me just to be able to talk about some of this stuff. I haven't burdened you.
Really?
That's good medicine. And so anyway, it means a lot.
It will be built. But it will be built.
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in Massachusetts and they don't allow trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And we're singing in the rain. We're singing in the rain. When it's not 100 degrees and death outside, it's raining because we can't have nice things in New England. Oh well, sucks to be you. You get to be in the video. Oh well. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!